Well, we're out here at Off-Road Park, Interlake. Gonna test the old Jeep out. Do a little shakedown run, make sure everything's working the way it is. Make sure that front truss on the axle was gonna clear everything when we flex out. Ranger was ready to get out, get on the trail, weren't you, buddy? Yep, by herself again. We'll run around. It's a little after lunch Saturday. It's a sloppy mess out here. 55 degrees, I think. 57. Yeah, 57. We're gonna hit a couple trails, see what the old Jeep does. Make sure the limbless slips work. We're still in two-wheel drive. We're not gonna make this. I don't want to get it all muddy. Like everywhere muddy. Hell, they don't even want to climb it in full drive. There we go. Oh, there went my phone. Little bunny slope trail. Alright. Just hang tight. We're gonna go down this 5A trail. It has been repaired since the first time I ever went down this trail. It was a bad mamma jamma. Winch fest. And wow, that mud hole's got kind of big. Might as well break it in right. I may have some old footage. I don't know if I can get it on here or not. It's probably been 7 years ago we went down this in the CJ5, and it was pretty gnarly. But they've done some trail maintenance on this and made it a lot easier. My dad works out here, by the way, and he does some of the trail maintenance. Him and his buddy run around here on equipment and maintaining trails and helping erosion and whatnot. But it's probably another big mud hole up here. Yep. Let's see how deep this one is. Well, we got to go up that. May have bit off a little more than we can chew right now. Out here by herself. Oh my. Yeah. May have to get a different line at it here. Sure ain't nothing behind me I'm gonna hit. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That was pretty flat last time I was out here, and it has gotten eat out. All right. Well, Can't be a pussy all your life. Might require a little speed, momentum. Back her up a little bit. Oh. Alright. Got a little mud on the camera on that one. I'm going to get out and investigate this one. Alright, be right back. Well, we already had to pull a winch. Get a Badlands hooked up here. See what we can't accomplish with this. I believe that's what's hanging us right here. Maybe on the other side too. Let's get over, bud. Let's get over. Out. Wrong way, dummy. Give her a little spinny spin. That's all she took. One little tug. Yeah. I probably could have wailed on it and got up it. Man, it's the first trail on this rig. Don't want to break. Don't want to break it. Oh well. Hopefully the rest of it is a little easier than that one. But yeah, like I say, this summer this trail was bunny slope, but not now. She's good wore in. Which we knew it would be eventually. Oh, that's what was hanging me. Yeah. Yeah, that rock right there. That might have been a deciding factor. That was the rear diff. Yeah. And the gas tank skid plate. Alright. Oh. About went down. We get this winch spooled up. Forgot to take off the sway bars in links. That's why I got stuck. Damn it. Now I better take him off. I want to see how it does. We got out of that trail. It isn't very long. I was probably about the halfway point when I got stuck. There's a couple more spoils just like that. It goes up and down a lot of that same terrain. I'm not used to wheeling on radial mud terrains. I'm usually on a TSL swamper or bogger bi-sply. I'm gonna take a little getting used to. A lot of sliding around, spinning on nothing. But it's a road rig, I understand. But we'll get these bar links off here and we'll go down the road a little farther and see how she does. Got them links off. They come off pretty easy. We just passed a Ram Warlock out here. They got right beside them. They rolled her window up. That's fine with me. I didn't want to talk to you anyway, bud. Have fun with that. It's a sloppy, nasty mess out here. I like it. Makes everything ride a little smoother. Him, on the other hand, you're stunned, ain't you? Anytime we get in anything bouncy or technical, he wants to get on top of me on my lap. Like he's scared, like he's never done this before. This dog has wheeled with me since day one. I don't know what your deal is today. You should have went with your mommy, huh? Do you need to go with your mommy? Yeah, he's scared. Well, we got us a little hill here to climb. Let's slide into the tree. Now, nothing. Get it rolled. Well, the limit slips are working very nicely. Very nice. A guy don't have to disengage, engage, worry about wires or hoses, air hoses, and none of that crap. It worked just fine for this guy. It's like always, camera don't do the hills justice. We're on another little trail here. I don't remember the number of it, but it used to be a doozy. It's been worked on a little bit. It's not as hard, or it wasn't last time I went down it about 2 months ago. We're going to hit it. Probably stupid to do it by yourself, but here we are. We'll go down it. Somebody left their trash in the trail. Thank you. Come out first. This trail's up on top of a big spoil bank. And then it goes down and up, down and up. It just runs on top of these banks. It's pretty cool. It used to be rutted out real bad. Big descent here. It's not rutted out too bad anymore. Just slick. And another one. I had to look out for that little tree over there. Yeah, it goes over there. Man, I miss my super swampers. This thing slips and slides everywhere. Makes it challenging. That's for sure. I don't know if you can see down in there. We're up here a good little ways. Place like that, a guy could have messed up bad. Slide into that big tree. It is a slick son of a bitch. Wow. Can't even make that. Well, we'll try her again. Hang on, buddy. Dang. Can't see nothing. Yeah, we're good. What are you doing over there? Sit down in the seat. Well, gotta keep rolling. You start sliding on you. A little turn to the right. Keep on rolling. All right. Oh, see? Yeah. let's go right. You want to go right? Yeah. All right, that was interesting. Better cool it on the hard trails. I better stick to the bunny slopes. Well, everything's working out so far pretty good. The bump stops hitting, and the bump stops hitting, and the truss is clearing everything. It's flexing out pretty good, so I think we're gonna head on out. We've done enough for today by ourselves, and I don't want to get stuck out here again, which I know I can get out. I can call him, get my buddies that didn't come with me today because they got adult things to do. Yeah, it happens to all of us. Go get us some supper, get something to eat, and get the pressure washer out while it's still warm outside. Wash this thing off, and call it a day. What do you think? Go sit on the couch, watch some YouTube videos, maybe edit one. The sun is bright, so we're gonna call it a day on this ride. It's been successful. Thanks for watching, guys.